In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent unwanted comments and message requests on Instagram. Let's get started without wasting so much time. The first thing we need to do is open the Instagram application by clicking on it like this. Then we refresh it. Then we want to click on the profile picture. This is located in the right and the far bottom here. Okay. Then we click on the hamburger sign. The hamburger sign are the three bars at the top. Click on it. Okay. Allow it to load. Then you want to scroll down, and if you find value in this video, remember to like it and subscribe to this channel. Okay. Then click on hidden words. Okay. Then toggle this one to the right to hide comments. Okay. Then just come down here, then hide comments once again through message request, then hide message request. Okay. Then scroll up, then hide message request. Okay. With this, certain message requests will not be processed by Instagram, and certain words in the comments will not be allowed. With this, you'll be able to maintain your privacy and sanity when using Instagram. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.